Good morning, West High. This is your TV West broadcast for August 31st, 2018. There are some new faces this year at West. Let's head up to the Guidance Center and meet with one of our new assistant principals, Ellery Jones.
I'm Ellery Jones. I'm a new assistant principal here at West, and I'm excited to be here. I'm a native of Georgia. I grew up in Georgia, and I'm excited to be living in Utah now and working with the wonderful students of West. I'm super excited about this year at West. I love getting to meet the new teachers, the students. Everybody here is new to me, so I love meeting new people. And I'm just getting to know everyone and getting used to being at West. I'm excited to be here. I think West is a great school. There is so much going on here, from the ELPR program, the IB program, so many sports. We've got so many clubs that are going to be starting soon. I'm just really excited. Athletics, we've got so much going on here. I'm excited to see what the year is going to bring. I think we're going to make some huge gains academically with our students, hopefully with athletics as well. So I'm excited to see what the year brings for our students and teachers.
If you need to meet with Miss Jones, she can be found in the H room of the Guidance Center, and she will be happy to answer your questions. What's up with sports? Well, girls soccer had 3 games this week. They played Skyline on Tuesday with a score of 0-8 for varsity and 2-1 for JV. Highland on Wednesday with the score of 6-1, and they played Murray on Thursday. Their next games will be next week on Tuesday and Thursday. Good luck, girls. In other news, boys basketball had its first open gym this past Monday and Wednesday. Open gym will be held again next week in the Tech Wing gym Wednesday and Thursday after school. The girls volleyball team is starting off great with the season with some good wins. Make sure you come and support the team next Tuesday at Murray. Let's go, Lady Panthers.
Hey guys, it's your West High volleyball team. I'm Lay.
I'm Kat, and this week Lay Felipe was nominated by Max Prep as the Player of the Week for Utah. And she was also nominated by Mountain Healthcare, Star Athlete of the Week. So if you see her in the halls, give her a high five, say what's up, congratulations.
And also over the weekend we played at Davis High School. We had a volleyball tournament and we took first in that, so that's pretty great. Also next week our upcoming games is Tuesday, and it's an away game at Murray. We play Murray. And then on Thursday we play East, and it's a home game. So everyone please come and support, especially you football players, because we were the loudest people there, so you guys better come to our games. Thank you!
Last Friday, our football team played against the Cyprus Pirates. We started off in a frenzy, scoring 2 touchdowns in the second half, putting them ahead by 14 points going into halftime. Unfortunately, West came up short, allowing 12 points in the remaining quarters while at the same time scoring none. The final score was 28-21. After battling a hard-fought game, West will be preparing for their next game at Woods Cross. The Spirit Bus will be picking up fans at 6:15 on 4th West. Let's show Woods Cross the jungle tonight at 7. West Debate is looking forward to another season of competition this fall. Debaters spent weeks this summer in camps to help prepare them for the roller coaster ride ahead. This year, debaters will be arguing over U.S. immigration policies, trying to decide whether or not we should reduce immigration in our country.
The debate team is about to start their upcoming season. We're really excited. We have the Green Hill tournament coming up, which is a big opportunity for our debaters. When contemplating the question, or when thinking about why I do debate specifically, it comes down to you get a more open perspective about multiple ideologies and other people's view of what they think of the world, and it allows you to open up and understand more types of people and more types of not just arguments but reasons why people do things in the future. So debate has a lot of things going on right now, obviously, to prepare for upcoming competitions, but the main thing is that actually some of our students, mainly me, have started West Debate Apparel. You can find it at westdebateapparel.com, where we've actually designed a couple new hoodies and shirts to supplement our funding and support the debate team.
Have something to say about immigration? Any concerns about the U.S. government altogether? Come check out the Debate Club, and be sure to visit westdebateapparel.com to check out some new designs, cool hoodies, and support their team. What's going on with robotics at West? A couple of things. Here's Enrique with the answer.
What do we do here in robotics? So essentially we have 6 teams that we work with and support here at West High. So it's not just one robotics thing. There's many different teams and many different opportunities for different grades and backgrounds. For example, our premier team is called the First Robotics Competition Team, and we build robots that are about 7 feet tall, 100 pounds. They're about the size of people, and they play on a basketball court-sized field in a competition. But we do also have opportunities for like 7th and 8th graders who are working with robots that are about a foot by a foot by a foot, and they're made from Legos, and they're also for middle school and under competition. 4 of our teams do First Tech Challenge. Robots look about this big. Their field is about 12 by 12. West High actually hosts a bunch of events for First Tech Challenge in the state of Utah. So we actually have competitions here at West High that we put on. So we're doing a lot of stuff all year round.
The Hello Day Assembly on Friday was a great way to kick off the school year. Here's a recap of what happened.
So now I'm dancing in an empty room.
Wondering what to wear on homecoming week to earn your class Spirit Bowl points? Here are some questions answered by student government.
The dress-ups for homecoming week are Sports Monday, Cartoon Tuesday, Western Wednesday, Throwback Thursday, and Red and Black Friday.
Homecoming week is the week of September 16th through the 22nd. Saturday is the dance, and it'll be in the field house. And we need a lot of people to dress up because it's just so fun seeing people in the hallways. So you show up to your first period, and student government will come and show up. They'll come and count up the dress-ups, and those points go to your grade for the overall Spirit Bowl points. And then later in the spring, when we have Spirit Bowl, you'll earn the class rank, and that's where you'll place and go and you start competing in Spirit Bowl. Have you heard of the West High Gear Up program that helps students with classes, scholarships, and college enrollment? If not, here's your opportunity to find out.
So Gear Up is a college readiness program that helps students to be successful in high school and prepare for colleges. There's a lot to be ready and be prepared for college, and so we help with things like volunteer opportunities. We help with ACT prep and 2 free ACTs that they can take through Gear Up. We also provide before and after school tutoring, and we have a class that's called Gear Up where we go over these things, these college skills, and also give time for students to do their homework.
Gear Up is it's pretty cool because you can do your homework, or if you have packets, you can work on that stuff, and it gives you a chance to catch up. So I recommend it if you really need it.
I've been in Gear Up since junior year. Gear Up has helped me in many ways, especially with homework. Last year, my junior year, I was struggling with some really hardcore classes, especially my AP Calculus class, and the tutors here have been so amazing to me. They have helped me out.
Europe has helped me a lot throughout this last year, and it really does help. It provided me with resources so I could do my homework, and I stay here like every day after school, and they have tutors that are really good at almost every subject.
I would like to invite all of you to join Gear Up because we have wonderful educational activities such as going to educational trips. For instance, we went to the aquarium last summer and it was my favorite part to go watch the penguins. And then we have something called FAFSA Nights where we can help you to complete your financial aid so you all can go to college and receive that free money from the federal government. So please come join us and we will set you up in your way to success.
If you guys want to apply to Gear Up, head to room 317 and pick up an application.
Homecoming is coming up soon, and we want to give you freshmen a little extra time to prepare for what could be possibly the best time of your life. Let's go to Cameron, who has some handy tips on surviving your first high school dance.
What up, guys? Homecoming's coming up. It's on the 21st of September. We got to get you guys the top 6 tips for your first high school dance. First, you gotta ask your date out either with a poster, you gotta destroy their car somehow. If you guys are like upperclassmen and you have cars, you freshmen shouldn't be driving to school, so. Either way, you gotta make a grand gesture, you gotta be cute, you gotta be funny, hopefully give them food. Number 5, you gotta get some dope clothes. You gotta buy a suit or rent a suit. Maybe you can't afford a suit, that's completely fine. You gotta make sure that you're matching colors. Maybe match a tie with shoes, something like that. Something small but noticeable to make you and your date look even better. Number 4, you gotta make sure that you get your date boutonniere or corsage. Make sure you also get a color that might match your clothes or whatever accent color that you have for you and your date. Number 3, make sure you're going with a good group. You gotta get a group of friends, especially for your first date, because you know what? If you're awkward, like me, you're gonna have like dead silence with your date for 30 minutes unless you're with a group, right? Nate knows what I'm talking about. Number 2, you gotta make sure after you get your group, you gotta find a good place to go eat dinner. Something fancy, something that you won't look weird showing up in a suit or a dress with, and make sure your whole group agrees in going to that place. Number 1, you have to dance as hard as humanly possible, right? Coolest people at the dances are the ones who are in the center of a circle surrounding them. They're like doing breakdance moves, or they're like doing the floss or something. Dabbing's cool too. But you don't want to forget to slow it down with your date because of course the whole reason you're there is to make your date feel good and you guys want to have a fun time together. So don't skip out on those slow dances, you feel. Those are the 6 tips that you need. See you later. Have fun at homecoming, which is in like 3 weeks.
Well, that's all for you today, West. Enjoy your 3-day weekend.
What if I left anything awesome? Send it to your friends and they call your friends. Baby, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. What if I left anything awesome? Send it to your friends and they call your friends. Baby, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Alright, I'm ready now, ready now. I ain't gonna fall back now, now. Alright, I'm take it on me, baby. All I ever ask, are you gonna be my lover tonight? But take it with me. What if I left anything awesome? Send it to your friends and they hold your hands, baby. Never mind, 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 never mind. What if I left anything awesome? Send it to your friends and they hold your hands, baby. Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind.